Today we'll learn about using a keyboard. Can you see a picture of the keyboard? Yes. So the keyboard buttons are called as keys. There are many keys on the keyboard, but there are different types. Now the highlighted ones, you can see ABCD is written on that, right? These are called as alphabets, right? So we call it alphabet keys. So whenever the letters are written on the keys, we call it alphabet keys. So in the middle portion, which are highlighted with the red color, you can see these are the alphabet keys. So how many alphabet keys are there on the keyboard? There are 24 alphabet keys on the keyboard, and wherever the letters are written, we call it as alphabet keys. Next are the number keys. So the number keys, it is easy. Whenever we see numbers written on the keys, those are called as number keys. So the numbers are from 0 to 9, and these keys, whenever we have to type numbers on the screen, we use number keys. Next set of keys we can see are the special keys. These keys on which you see special functions written are called as special keys. Now you can see highlighted red color line they have made. These keys perform specific tasks, such as moving to next line, we use enter key. We have to delete some wrong word, we use backspace key. We have to make capital, then we use caps lock key. So special functions have been assigned to each key, so we call it as special keys. So next key which we have to know about is the spacebar key. The spacebar key is the special key which is longest key on any keyboard. Okay, so whenever we have to give a space between two words, we use spacebar key, and it is on the last row of the keyboard, and it may not have anything written on it, so no name will be written on it, like enter we have written, right? So on the spacebar key there is nothing written, and it is the longest key on the keyboard. So whenever we have to put space between two words, we use spacebar key. The next key which we have to know about is the backspace key. The backspace key, it is having an arrow. The arrow is pointing to the left side, right? So whenever we are typing on the screen using a keyboard, and many of the children come to me that we have written something wrong and we have to rub it or we have to delete it. So for that purpose we use backspace key to erase the letters. So the last key in the row of the numbers, after number key, last button is called as the backspace key, and it may look different on different keyboards, right? So next button is the enter key. Can you see the enter key? We have highlighted, right? So there are two types of enter keys. Two types, not we are saying. So the next key is the enter key. So whenever we have to go to the next line, we press enter key. So while we are typing, the enter key is used to move to the next line. It is usually found at the end of the middle row of the alphabets. The enter key is also used for other actions which we will learn next time. Okay, so you can see the keyboard, right? So what we have learned today: keyboard has keys, and there are many keys on the keyboards, right? But these keys are of various types. First is what? Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys, why? Because alphabets are written on that keys. Next is what? Yeah, number keys. Number keys, why we call it number keys? Because numbers are written on it, right? Special keys, why? Each key which is special key performs a special function, so we call it special keys. Okay, so next what we have learned, so what is the use of spacebar key? You can see this is the spacebar key. Whenever we have to put space between two letters, we use spacebar key. Next is the enter key. When we use the enter key, when we have to go to the next line, so we use enter key. Whenever we have to rub what is wrong, what we use the backspace key, right? Now